Here I have GIONEE A1 and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation by using the GIONEE settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the settings, scroll down and select here more settings. Then scroll down again and let's select backup and reset. Then from the following options choose factory data reset. So let's read about this operation. This operation will erase all personal data, customize settings and install apps. Let's use this red button and tap OK to erase all data. That's it, the phone is performing the hard reset, so let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you might start simply activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.